Today on Taste Test, we are trying all 16 sauce flavors from Buffalo Wild Wings. I am feeling so overwhelmed. How are you feeling?
It's about to get Buffalo Wild Wings up in here.
Zach, do you consider a boneless wing a wing?
Boneless, bone, you throw some hot sauce and some breading on there. I'm gonna call it a wing, I'm gonna eat it.
I'm already feeling stretched out of my comfort zone because anytime I've gone to Buffalo Wild Wings, I always go classic mild.
Oh, really?
I never branch out. Also, we have all these accoutrements.
Oh, yes. Of course, the classic glass of milk.
And then lemon wedges.
Lemon wedges, of course.
And we have ranch and blue cheese.
Ranch and blue cheese.
As well as celery and carrots. Are you more of a celery or a carrot guy?
I am totally a celery guy.
Same.
I prefer blue cheese, not so much ranch, but sometimes I use ranch.
We're the same person.
Same person, yes. We're gonna kill this.
Considering I grew up in the South, I'm actually not a huge, classic barbecue sauce kind of person.
It's actually got a little bit more pepper than I was expecting.
It's really sweet, a little bit tangy.
It's pretty good. It's not like your standard barbecue sauce. Hopefully it's heavy on the bourbon.
Oh wow, it smells like soy sauce. Ooh, has a nice ginger taste to it.
It's nice. It's not like an overpowering flavor of honey mustard.
Ooh, it's a little spicy.
That you thought was a little spicy?
Oh no.
I think we might be in trouble.
She's done for. Uh-oh, okay, this is the problem because this is number 4
mild
is
is
where
very
mild
far
is
down the
far
line.
down.
Yeah,
and this is typically where I stop.
It's got a nice smell.
Yeah.
Got a nice
I
classic
think I'm gonna dip in a
buffalo
little
smell.
blue cheese just because I always like to do
Okay.
that. It's so good. It's just classic. Still has flavor.
You know what I really like about these wings is, there's definitely a good amount of breading on there.
Yeah, but also the chicken ratio is
Yeah, the
strong.
chicken ratio is very strong, but also the sauce gets all over the breading.
I'm not gonna lie, that was a little
12 more.
spicy to me. I feel it.
Oh, really?
I really do feel it.
So this one looks
This
like
looks like
it's,
tofu.
Parmesan garlic. Definitely getting that Parmesan hit
Smells
right
like,
on the nose.
It kind of reminded me of a pizza Lunchable. I think that's the taste
It
I
totally
got.
does. And I was thinking the flavors are fine, but I don't want it on a chicken wing.
I agree.
want it in a Lunchable.
This definitely has a smokier smell to it. Again, not bad, just not what I would go to.
How are we feeling about double dipping? Is this a safe space or are you? Oh, okay, we're not gonna do it.
I'm more of a flip and dip kind of gal myself,
Oh, smart. A little bit of ranch on my barbecue.
but cool,
I flipped and dipped.
great. Oh, blue
Blue
I'm gonna do
cheese
blue
on that
cheese
guy.
dip, too. That's good.
So the strategy with putting the medium in the blue cheese, the medium has a little bit more of the flavor, and I like to use the blue cheese. I like to use the flavor of the wing as sort of a way to lift up the taste of the blue cheese. All right, definitely getting the garlic on there.
That's really good. I would order that. Do you think that was spicy?
No, not really. Is that bad? Is that bad?
Same. I'm sweating a little bit actually. That was not
was
easy
bad?
for me. It
Really?
wasn't bad, it just wasn't. It wasn't easy.
I have a feeling that the next few rounds are not going to be fun for you.
I agree.
All right, so it's definitely got a little bit of that sweet teriyaki smell to it. I'm
Okay.
getting a little bit of peanutty flavor, which is
Definitely.
actually unexpected and kind of nice. I will say though that of all of the new flavors that I've tried so far, that's definitely been my favorite.
Mine too.
How you doing? I think you need this. Here you go. Yeah, you take that.
Thank you.
I think, you know what? I think you might need this too. Ooh, it's definitely got you can tell it's got more of the, a thicker sauce on there. It's nice.
Smells like curry.
Smells good. That's good. I mean, it just tastes like chicken and curry.
This one has a very typical curry spice to it. I can't tell if I'm passing out.
I can't tell either. Sometimes you go silent and I'm is she still there?
Sometimes I'm what's happening? What's
keep
happening?
talking
What's
about
happening? Oh, this has a very sweet
Ooh,
smell
yeah.
to it.
I don't love the flavor, but I can see this and a pitcher of beer. That could be actually really nice. We're making our way into the hot territory, and they definitely have a different color profile. That's probably my baseline. That would be my standard order is hot.
I'm not feeling anything yet.
I'm not feeling anything either. It's actually very mellow.
Yeah, the spicy garlic was
Yeah,
worse
the
for me.
spicy garlic was worse. I think the curry one was more spicy than this.
I'm actually really impressed with myself that I have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 without a sip of milk.
All right, here we go. Spicy barbecue. I just know this is gonna be a tough one for you. Yeah.
Do you feel it?
I do, but again.
Are you sweating at all, or is it just me?
It definitely like kicks at you pretty quick.
I can feel sweat coming out of my pores right now.
It's a little hot, yes. This is the first one.
She's doing it.
Yeah. Try the lemon. Try the lemon.
I actually really do like lemon.
That's a good wing. Do you want me to go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be spicy?
Yeah.
Okay. Like right off the bat?
So like 3 medics just walked in. I love this. This is like my favorite type of like spicy, is like sort of like the sweet, like tangy spicy. It is so good.
I thought the previous was worse.
Oh really? Maybe it's like a little bit of the sweetness that like kind of like counteracts it a little bit.
Or maybe my tongue is just numb.
This second to last one is called Just Wild.
What's the most wild thing you've ever eaten?
Ooh, I ate bugs here. I ate a Lego when I was a kid. It's gonna take too long. All right, right away, you can see some like pepper flakes right there on top.
Should I not dip it? Should I dip it, you think?
I want to get like the full flavor. I think you should maybe do whatever you want. Do it the way you want to do it.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
So far, so good.
No,
I don't feel anything.
I'm not really getting anything.
Can you have a heart attack from spicy food, do you think?
Yes, 1000%. That is a dark orange.
Ooh, I smell it from like out here.
Cheers.
Oh no, oh no.
That's very spicy.
Oh my God.
Maybe
Here
a
she
little
goes.
ghost pepper. High Scoville rating on this guy. I got it, Hannah, don't worry. Listen, guys, we are being held against our will in the Food Network. Hannah and I have never even had a full conversation, and I have heard her burp at least 25 times.
Oh.
We've gone off the rails. This is very spicy.
Okay. I'm seriously I'm so sweaty right now. My mouth feels like I'm on fire. I forget my name.
It's Hannah.
I'm crying. I'm sweating.
You don't see that every day on Taste Test, guys.
It's crazy because like I have no control over what's happening.
It's amazing. I want to compliment your bravery,
Thank you.
your willingness to be open,
Yeah.
your willingness to fail.
I still am a mild girl through and through. I can depend on it. I really enjoyed the spicy garlic one. And I would order that again. Like I think I could see myself going in and ordering half mild, half spicy garlic.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, that was really rough and probably the most unattractive thing I have ever done in my life. But I had a lot of fun doing it with you.
Oh, thank you. Most people do the most unattractive things in their lives around me, so that's good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know what you want to see next on Taste Test in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time.